Wrap a bit of cheese. The little bread is a good shot as well.
Un peu si peu.
D'accord, surtout avec les congés, ça se mange
Quality.
où,
So,
Après, peut-être parce que je travaille à semaine, j'ai que 20 jours de congé.
Donc toi, t'as pas de RTT.
Pas de RTT. Normal.
It's making me nervous.
you should go back on.
Yeah.
If it's like this every day,
This is going to be right.
there's always a bigger yacht.
Déjà?
Hang on, I want to try something. Stop.
That was class. That was class. It's all happening a bit quick. I feel like with a doggy, you either... That's the problem with the dog. I really want one, but you either have to completely stay in one place to look after the doggy, or you go like completely on the roads.
Yeah, that's true. Nice.
I could always leave it with my mum, but it's still a hassle.
That's true.
I get get my dad to come in the little plane.
That'd be good to fly with the dog. I think I've seen a video now. A little two-seater, and he's got his dog next to him.
Could definitely fit it in. You probably wouldn't be able to have another person in as well.
No,
It's
no.
just you and the dog. Absolutely sweet.
Friend from there.
Ah non,
I don't know if it would work that well on the case though. I was thinking if I get a case or some kind of case where I can put the sticker on it and put it in the case. So
Wow. What do you do? And you kind of like, not in a rush to leave, but like, you're about to leave, so you just basically wait on someone to be ready.
yeah.
But then actually you realise you haven't done your ready checks.
Wheezy!
Oh yeah?
See? Little sneaky beer. No more problem. Yeah, you just like when you take a train, you kind of like it's like a portal. Hey, Siri.
Oh, we can put them outside. Actually,
Oh yeah, you put them in the garden.
if it's raining, I'll take it in yours.